Types of chemical reactions. Can we list those reactions? If you know one, just shout it out.
Combustion.
Combustion.
Synthesis.
Let me write them here. Double. Replacement.
Single replacement.
Is it synthetic?
Single.
Synthesis.
And I heard someone say synthesis.
And
Decomposition.
decomposition.
Actually, it's decomposition.
Thank you. Decomposition. Alright, so chemical reaction number one is a decomposition reaction. Here's the chemical equation. Make sure you get that recorded. Chemical equation for reaction number one is a decomposition reaction. Potassium chlorate, KClO3, decomposes to potassium chloride and oxygen gas. All that I have to do is add heat to potassium chloride, and it does that. Inside of this test tube, I have potassium chloride. So let's do the first part of this reaction. And I'm going to just use a match today so that we can do this quickly. Take this off. Fire hazard, so I'll put it back here. If you want to tell me what you are observing, you can go ahead and say it out loud.
Fire.
So we have a flame
Chemical change.
that I'm using to heat up the test tube with. And the inside of the test tube is potassium chlorate. Wow, not much is happening, is it?
Nope.
Oh, I see a few things. I see some bubbles. What does it mean whenever we have bubbles?
Oxygen's released.
I heard a bunch of you say the same thing, but different ways. I heard oxygen gas is coming out. That's correct. That's exactly what's happening. We have the formation of a gas, and it is oxygen gas because we looked at the chemical equation and we saw that. And it's almost a complete liquid. And it's fairly warm, I'm sure. That's what's making it into a liquid is this heat. Some more bubbles. So we got a whole bunch of oxygen inside of this test tube now. Turn the gas off. Here's reaction number two. I'm going to reach in here. I'm going to pull out a gummy bear. I haven't used green today, so I'm going to use a green gummy bear. And I'm going to let's find out the mass of this gummy bear. Put my paper on there. My gummy bear on there. And it's 2 grams. This gummy bear is 2 grams. So let's start the second reaction. I'm just going to drop this gummy bear inside the test tube. I'm going to walk over here and turn on the fume hood because, as you can tell, there's a lot of gas coming out of the test tube. Seems to be finished. Just wait for a minute, and I'm going to come up here. All this gas. It smells like roasted marshmallows. It looks like there's a little bit of gummy bear left. There's a whole bunch of potassium chloride left inside of there. So a little bit of gummy bear, and it looks like all of the potassium chloride is left. So are you guys ready for the question? The question is, how much gas was produced during that chemical reaction? Now you can stop recording and try to answer